guys, it's Jessie B from Life with Jessie B. Today I'm going to be making some what I call on-the-go oatmeal cookies. They're kind of like oatmeal bars, but we like to call them cookies since they have chocolate chips. So to do that, I'm going to have 2 ripe bananas, 2 cups of oats, some honey, applesauce, vanilla, and most importantly, chocolate chips. So to get started, I'm going to mash up my bananas. I can even get them open, they're super ripe. And the riper your bananas, the more sweet your oats will be. Can I help? You have to put a shirt on. All right, helping me today, I've got my son Miles. So Miles, you want to go ahead and use the fork and smash the bananas in there. Push really hard. Looks like it's kind of like he said, the consistency of regular cookie dough. And you could see in there we still got some chunks of the banana and the oats. And for these oats, I actually use the quick oats rather than the rolled oats because that's what we had on hand. So I am going to let this sit for just a minute so it can absorb all my liquids, the oats can, and then I'm going to get these on a cookie sheet.